guys, and I don't know about you, but when I started using the DJI Pocket 2, I put on the tripod adapter and then I found it completely impossible to get it off again. Quite why DJI made it so difficult to remove is beyond me. If you want to know a really quick and easy way to remove that tripod adapter, then keep watching. Okay, so the best way I have found is to find any mini tripod which has the normal tripod adapter. I have in this case a DJI tripod, but any other tripod will do. Just screw it into the tripod adapter, and once it's tight, while holding onto the Pocket 2 with the other hand, keep tightening the tripod while gently pulling and wiggling it. And hey presto, in a few seconds, the adapter will quickly come off. And that's it. As I said, very easy. So I hope you have found this video useful, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe to the channel for any further DJI Pocket 2 tips. Have fun guys!